Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tres leches red velvet cake. So start off with this cake mix. This is the one I prefer to use, but you can use any other cake mix. And then this one requires 1 and 1/4 cups of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by putting my oil inside, then my 3 eggs. After I'm done whisking that, I'm gonna go ahead and add my cup and 1/4 cups of water and mix that very good. Okay, so then here I have my pan. This is an 11 by 7 inch pan, and then I already put the oil for it to not stick. Then I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Okay, so for the tres leches, I used 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 2 cups of milk. So for the frosting, you're going to use 2 cups of confectioners sugar, a little pinch of salt, and 4 tablespoons of butter. So once my cake is out of the oven, I let it cool down for a bit, then took off the top layer, and then pinched a little bit holes inside, and then added my tres leches.